You don't have to run after anyone. Happiness is in your heart, not far away. I used to run so fast, forgot what I need. Looking at others till my heart felt weak. The world spins fast, but my soul moves slow.